Hello everyone, today I would like to show you all how to set Unity Bloom's watch face on Apple Watch. Let's have a look. First, make sure you are using watchOS 10.3. With the watch face showing, touch and hold on the display. Now swipe right or left or use the digital crown to move the face you want. To set a new watch face, simply move all the way to the right and tap New. Here you will see New Watch Face. Tap on it. Now scroll down and find out Unity Bloom. Tap Add button beside Unity Bloom. To set style, scroll and you will see single bloom and full bloom. Now swipe left to choose color. Scroll or use digital crown button to change color. You can choose black, red, green or multicolor. Tap digital crown button twice and you will see Unity Bloom's watch face added. So these are the steps to set Unity Bloom's watch face on Apple Watch. Hope this video help you. Please subscribe my channel by tap subscribe button. Also tap the bell icon to receive notifications about all new videos.